A day that is firmly in my calendar every year is the Hurco Open House. But why should you also attend? David, we're coming up to the annual Open House. Are you looking forward to it?
I'm really looking forward to it this year, Tom. We're 2nd and 3rd of December. We've made a lot of changes in here. You can see the engineers working behind. We're swapping we've sold a lot of machines at the end of September, swapping machines out, bringing new ones in, and I think there'll be some really interesting demos for people to see.
Now, I'm always excited to come to the Open House because obviously I ran Hurcos for 10 years, so it's always great to see what's new, what machines are coming in. But why should customers come?
I think the reason that I'd always recommend coming to our open house for customers is we have all our suppliers here as well. So in addition to a really good range, 11 machines, machining centers, lathes, 3-axis, 5-axis, everything, we also have 19 suppliers here as well. So all our best sort of trading partners, tooling people, finance people, work holding, CADCAM, they're all here under one roof. So you can really, if you've got any plans, you can discuss everything at one time.
So people could actually come for a machine and leave with a full turnkey solution?
Oh, absolutely, yes. There's everything you need to go with the machine for whatever job. You can discuss it here and work out what's the best option.
And I think one of the things people at home who are thinking of coming to the open house really need to know is that this isn't a standard open house. You've not got 11 machines that are all cutting fresh air. You actually cut material.
Oh yeah, we're cutting tool steels, mild steel, aluminium, whatever they need to cut. We like to do proper demonstrations, and it's really that's why an open house is such a good thing, because they get a chance to operate the controls themselves. They get full demonstrations of everything that's here. They see how we're holding the parts, how we're cutting them, and they really see how the machines perform.
And what's great is you always have all your applications engineers here as well. So if anybody's got any problems or just needs a bit of help, they're always on hand when people need them.
Yeah, absolutely. I mean, all the Hurco staff are here, so if you need to discuss something with service, we've got the service guys just next door, full set of applications engineers, and all the sales guys are on site. So whatever you need to discuss, it's a great time to do that.
So David, just before we end, what were those dates again?
So it's Tuesday the 2nd and Wednesday the 3rd of December.
Well, I hope to see you all here because I will be here. And David, I will see you on the 2nd.
Absolutely. We look forward to seeing everyone.